In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the blanking fill effect for vertical video in DaVinci Resolve 20. This is a really useful technique when you want to make portrait videos look cleaner, more polished, and better suited for widescreen playback. Instead of leaving empty space on the sides, you can use a blurred extension of your own footage to fill the frame in a professional way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. You can do that by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. Once you're on the Edit page, look toward the top left toolbar and click the Effects button. This will open the Library panel, where you can browse all of the available tools and visual effects. From there, go into Toolbox, then open Effects, and then look for the Filters section. Inside the Filters list, scroll down until you find Blanking Fill. If you don't want to scroll, you can also use the search bar to find it faster. When you locate the blanking fill effect, simply tie it directly onto your vertical video clip on the timeline. Once the effect is applied, click your video clip on the timeline so it becomes highlighted with a red border. This step is important because it makes sure you're adjusting the correct clip and effect settings. Now go to the top right corner and open the Inspector panel. In the Inspector, click the Effects tab at the top. This is where all of the blanking fill controls will appear. One of the first settings you'll notice is the Zoom Edge slider. If your blurred background is not filling enough of the screen, increase the zoom edge value until it covers the empty areas more naturally. This helps the effect blend better with your vertical footage and gives you a more complete full-screen look. Next, find the Blur Amount slider. This control changes how soft or sharp the background appears. If you want the background to feel less distracting, raise the blur amount for a smoother, more cinematic result. If you prefer a little more detail in the background, lower it slightly until it looks right for your video. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the preview window so you can see how the effect changes in real time. The goal is to make the vertical video feel balanced and visually pleasing without drawing attention away from the main subject. Take a moment to fine-tune both sliders until the frame looks clean and professional. Once you're happy with the result, you're all set. You've now learned how to use the blanking fill effect for vertical video in DaVinci Resolve 20. And you can apply this technique to make your shorts, reels, and portrait clips look much better on wider screens. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.